totally free. No credit card is required. Download the Bally Sports Live app today. A ground ball to short and a low throw over to first base. And Isaiah Drake, he'll hit from the left side and he'll take a called strike. 0-1 pitch in the air, left side. Rivas, the third baseman, crosses over the line towards the brown part of the turf, and he's got it. The first base side of the rubber. He is exclusively from the stretch, and he'll fire in a lineup card, but he's making his return to Rome, which is where he started the season. 1-1 pitch. Checked his swing, and this game, probably 2 months ago, we'd have no idea who you're talking about at the top of the order. Obviously, we would recognize 2-2. It's low, which is a real bummer for Chloe. That was set by Jose Peraza back in 2013. And that's going to be ball 4. Pitch number 10 for Chang. In there, called strike to the 4-hole Janis. In the plate. Ground ball foul. In the outfield from left. 0-2. Slim lead for Guerra off first base, and Janis will foul one off the left side. Good fastball there from Chang, 95 miles an hour. An inning game. 0-2. Runs inside. Janis throws the hips back to get his torso out of the way. Chang set at the belt. The 1-2 inside. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Over there holding on Guerra. 2-2. Waved at and missed. So a punch out for Chang to strand a base runner at first base. No runs, no hits, no errors. One left perfectly with warm weather. Popsicles, and not just any popsicles, but handmade, all-natural gourmet king of pops. 0-1 on Dylan Shockley. Check swing off the hands. Life changing at a rapid pace as well. Not right on right here. Base is clear. 0-2 count from Chang. And he'll get Shockley to foul from the first baseman, Callan Moss. Popped up. Moss looking up, checking his surroundings. 0-1 pitch. Tavi will take one inside. Seti Luis Sanchez. Top of the zone, it missed. 2 balls and 1 pitch. Which is grounded to short. Charging hard. Griffin, he'll field a tough hop and deliver a low throw to Moss, who goes down to a knee on one as well. Called strike. Then baseball. He's going pitch for pitch with Spencer Strider today at Bristol Motor Speedway up at Bristol. Something like that if I had to guess. Fouled away. Also worth noting, the Yankees 0-2 pitch to Steels. He'll take a called strike 3. Chang looking equally as strong through 2 innings. We go to the third here in this 7-inning ball game. Shockley, Tavares, and Steels down in order here in the second. We'll be back for the third inning. Rome will start this inning with 8, 9, and 1. And Gassetti going to spin on the first offering from Chang and send a hard liner into left field for the Emperor's first hit today. Good start to this in yesterday's game, particularly from the new guy, number 34, which used to be old Titus. Popped up in foul ground. Moss coming on. He's going to call off the catcher. He's got it about. First pitch to Jones, who's 0 for 1, taken for a. Colby Jones, 0-2. Off the handle. Jones runs well. Tough play. Rivas' throw. They got him. Two gone for Isaiah Drake.
The center fielder, number 14, Isaiah.
Well, I've long said that this man getting into the box 2 years ago, swing and a miss. Now 60 across 300 plus at bats. With 5 homers, 48 driven in. 0-2. And that's a called strike 3. So down looking is Isaiah Drake, but the Emperors do pick up their first hit here in the third. We'd love to see him maybe fly one out of here right here. Instead, he's going to ground one hard through the sixth hole past a diving Connor Griffin. And it's back-to-back innings that the Emperors have pulled a ball toward position here with nobody out in a scoreless game. 1-0 pitch. Skips to the plate. This is going to help out the Emperors big time. Guerra up to second on the wild pitch from Chang. Janis struck out on a fastball from Chang back in the first inning. Sun just seemingly continues to get brighter and brighter. Need to get one of these cotton balls to move in front of it. 2-0, grounded foul. You would think that 2-1 on the ground to second. And Delgado will flip over to his buddy Callan Moss. Ghost of a lineup that once was back in zone, which is where Berg is setting up right now inside. Infielders ready with their hands out in front. 2-0, missed. 3 balls. Shockley, though, will ground this one through the left side. A knock for Shockley in his return. It's a big one, breaking this scoreless ball game open. Guerra comes home. It's 1-0 Imps here at the bottom of the fourth inning.
The second baseman, number 20, Andy Orange.
Well, he's the vet, right? He's the guy you want up in that spot. Now 1-0 pitch. And that one is ripped to third. Fantastic play. Rivas to second, around the horn, but safe at first base. But that is double play there is impressive. Called strike on, more versatile. 0-1. Called strike. Pitch home. Fouled away. Now bring it up. Fouled away again. What do we see here from Chang? Inside. Good take. 1-2. Ooh. Up around the left ear. Chang wants his inning ender. Oh, and he'll drill Steals either in the back of the helmet or in the back of the neck. Chang. Pitch home. Foul. Offenses in minor league baseball is over there in the visitors' dugout. 0-2. It's low. Steals at first base. Tavi at second base. Lifted high in the air. Left center field. Tres Gonzalez into the alleyway to collect inning over. But a run on 2 hits and 2 left stranded. The big